Dogecoin, Doge for the most part is a mineable coin that fundamentally is as of now exchanged at $0.062857 per unit. With the market capitalization of $8,867,302,719, that especially makes it a mid-position digital currency, or so the explicitly thought. Computerized resources like Dogecoin for the most part have proactively turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for genuinely huge institutional financial backers who essentially see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a powerful buy and large support against expansion that negatively affects the worldwide economy. Thusly, having it especially the most on a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto is basically an absolute requirement for any merchant and financial backer who in a real sense needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, which basically is very huge. However, with it especially comes the need to intently in every way that really matters, follow the improvements on the expressed market to grasp what is happening and have some feeling representing things to come. This Dogecoin cost expectation model was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, sort of track down the best coins or tokens to put resources into, and truly keep the value bend developing. Be that as it may, prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost expectation, we might want to help you to remember the for the most part fundamental guidelines of digital currency exchanging and venture in an unobtrusive way. So, how about we center around the Dogecoin market, its for the most part current standings, as well as the midterm and genuinely long-haul cost expectation that in a real sense depends on the readings of our genuinely exclusive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, or so they thought. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin generally remains at $0.062857, and this kind of specific computerized resource explicitly stands firm on the ninth foothold in the worldwide digital money positioning, which is genuinely critical. For certainly your data, the positioning of each and every cryptographic money essentially is vigorously dependent on its sort of current market capitalization and cost, and generally is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most cutting-edge data on the resource being referred to. Likewise to in a real sense get a most certainly better sort of handle of the market circumstance and really figure out the overall heading of the pattern, or to enlist its non-attendance, it's additionally vital to break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Yesterday, on September 18th, the cost of Dogecoin remained at $0.061524 at the end of the genuinely day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 0.41% distinction when contrasted with the kind of current cost 7 days prior. On September 12, the Dogecoin market certainly remained at $0.060408 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost in every practical sense moved by 0% corresponding to its current standing a month prior. On August 19, Dogecoin was estimated at $0.063750, which essentially harmonized with our cost expectation for that truly specific period, or so they especially thought. Contrasted with the sort of present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 1.40% cost move, which is genuinely huge. These figures ought to yield you some knowledge into the ongoing business sector structure, though our top-to-bottom cost gauge depends on the appearances of CVIX. However, to figure out the truly by and large capability of Dogecoin, or any for the most part other cryptographic money besides, it's vital to fundamentally consider the cost vacillations, as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized resource. With regards to digital currencies, market capitalization fills for all plans and needs more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its general prevalence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Numerous digital money merchants view market capitalization as an essentially key pointer to be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. It is determined by duplicating the genuinely all-out number of coins that really are right now available for use, circling supply, by the kind of current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by remains at $0.062857, which in a real sense is very huge. Considering that recipe, we for the most part have determined the exceptionally current market capitalization of Dogecoin to sort of be at $8,867,302,719, which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among these in every practical sense, present in the digital money market in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on September 18, the market capitalization of Dogecoin basically remained at $8,677,938,113. Keep going week. On September 12, the aggregate sum of capital dedicated to Dogecoin basically was laid out at $8,515,680,915. The information from a month prior, enrolled on August 19, shows that Dogecoin especially had a market capitalization of $8,966,990,204. Absolute stock focuses to the quantity of coins that sort of have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made and truly are either flowing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders' truly cool wallets, which basically is very critical. The all-out supply likewise considers any coins that have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. It can measure up to the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that fundamentally is public on the securities exchange, or so they generally thought. The by and large absolute inventory of Dogecoin presently basically remains at 141,071,996,384 Doge, which especially is genuinely huge. As currently made sense of, the circling supply in every way that really matters is the most normally involved extremely metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, which in a real sense is very critical. It compares with the best guess of the general number of coins that in every practical sense are public on digital currency trades and generally add to their liquidity, or so they thought. Their volume does exclude the coins that for the most part are vested, marked in commonly shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or put unavailable for general use. By and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking, the flowing inventory especially is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange amazingly. At the present time, the flowing inventory of Dogecoin generally is assessed at 141,071,996,384 Doge. Also, the perusing of exchanging volume can assist one in every practical sense with deciding better section and leave focuses, in light of the fact that as per the principles of specialized examination, huge cost moves, pattern inversions, or combinations frequently essentially happen at the cost levels that are joined by generally high volumes since their enormous cash most certainly had become an integral factor. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market was as per the following. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market in every practical sense added up to $204,656,906 in an especially significant manner. Yesterday, on September 18, the truly normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting explicitly added up to $156,145,200 in a very large manner. 7 days prior, on September 12, the power